Phase 1 created the buzz, and now Phase 2 is here to take it even more further. Introducing you Kalyani Living Tree by Kalyani Developers. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jay Tala. Today we will be revealing the teaser of Kalyani Developer launching their Phase 2 of Kalyani Living Tree in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. Well, we are here on the actual site of the project, and let me show you the glimpse of our site. So I'm standing inside the land parcel where the construction work is under full swing. The marketing office is on my left hand side over here, where you can check out the 3D model, the model flat, which is ready just for you. The main entrance is exactly in front of me over here. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Well, in this video, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, about super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's start our video with the project overview via 3D model. Kalyani Living Tree is spread across 25 acres of massive land, where there are a total of 10 towers. They had launched 6 towers in Phase 1 and now launching with remaining 4 towers in Phase 2. With each tower of 2 basement ground plus 26 and 27 floors, where you can choose between 1 BHK, 2 BHK and premium 3 BHK homes. Talking about the location, where our project is located just off to New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding of our project. Now I'm standing exactly on the main entrance, where the main entrance will be coming up on my back hand side over here, and this road on my right hand side road will take you towards New Airport Road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part, where you can connect to New Airport Road in just 400 meters from our project. Baglur Road is 700 meters away, Vikrant Hospital is 800 meters, and St. Friends School, that is 1 kilometers away from our project. Now let's talk about amenities that Kalyani Developers are offering you. So they are offering you ultra luxurious world-class amenities. Let's have a look via 3D model again. 1 lakh square feet of grand clubhouse. You get cricket ground, badminton court, football ground, multi-purpose court, basketball court, sitting pavilion, open space to relax, and many more luxurious amenities. If you're one of them who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from our end. Because Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers, where many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is mentioned in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and watch it out once. When we come to super built-up area, so we have east and west facing homes with no common walls. So you can call it a perfect Vastu compliant units, where we have 1, 2 and 3 BHK options. Where 1 BHK is 579 square feet super built-up area, 2 BHK starting from 1041 to 1054 square feet, 3 BHK homes of 1263 to 1927 square feet super built-up area. Now let's talk about the booking process. So our Phase 2 is currently under pre-launch stage. So we are open with the EOI window, that is expression of interest window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Kalyani Living Tree Phase 2 by Kalyani Developers, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.